Ever wonder what goes into self-publishing your own book? Do you want to know the process and be shown step by step? Dale L. Roberts has created a fantastic course on just that. I've taken both his courses and I'm currently writing my first book. Do you have to write your own books to get the value of this course? No, you don't. Dale's core course teaches how to effectively research and choose the best niches to publish in, the keys to producing quality content in a timely fashion, why editing and formatting your manuscript for online distribution is easier than you think, how to identify the best possible solution for writing proficiently based on your time and funds, the best practices for pricing and distribution, why the sustainable, long-term business plan is more about building brands than chasing hot trends, and so much more. The core content also talks about hiring writers to write your book. It's cheaper than you think if you know where to look. If you purchase the course, you can contact me on the inside and I'll tell you a great source for hiring writers. Bonus! In the advanced content, you'll learn the secret to developing book descriptions that entice the buy, where you can promote for little to no money for the biggest returns, how to produce book covers that sell, the power of building multiple streams of revenue, how to build an email list without being salesy, when is the right time to publish wide, where to publish off the Amazon Marketplace, and so much more. There will be more information if you click the link below the video. reviewalcove.com/DIY publishing. Dale is a certified personal trainer and self-published author of well over 40 books. He's been around the block a few times. He teaches how to publish on Amazon, of course, but that's just one source. He goes into the other publishing platforms as well: Createspace, ACX, Smashwords, Draft the Digital, and beyond. The course is awesome by itself, but you get more. The private Facebook group is very active. The people in the group are knowledgeable about many topics that will help you on your self-publishing journey. There's at least one SEO expert, video creators, website and email list experts, and more. There's something new in the works, but I'm not the one to announce it. Dale is also very active in the Facebook group and even has surprise live streams. Dale has gone out of his way to make sure his course will give you everything you need to know to start publishing your first book. He teaches in an easy-to-understand style and is pleasant to listen to. If you've already published a book or two, the course will still teach you how to get better at it and how to expand beyond Amazon. Click the link below for more information, as I'd like to keep the video short. If you like the video, I'd appreciate a like. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to stay up to date on all my new videos. I review a variety of topics. Thanks for watching and enjoy your self-publishing journey.